Double A camp.
You the type of chick that I could rock with. Take you to the bedroom, I go make your panties drop quick. See, you know, beside chick, you the full course meal, I leave the plate spotless. And of course, I love to see you ride. Oh, your baddie with the body on her, she got a fatty. Oh, yeah, Bianina Senko free top from crying, come a fatty. You so sexy, how you walk up in them 6-inch heels. You they whet my appetite, I put your sex appeal. If you're ready to be my ride or die, then we can ride and vibe tonight in the Rolls Royce. It's wherever you wanna go, it's your choice. You for make us spoil you, boo. Forget the broke boys. Ain't no be tricking if you got it. I know they try to buy you. I know you been through a lot. I'm just tryna do right by you. A pretty young thing like you deserve the world. Let me be the one to give you that. I didn't grow up from a boy into a man. I keep it real with you. You know I no go lie. Put the 18 karat gold up on your finger. If you let me, I go make you be the one. What you the thing? What you gon' say? You're so undecided. I go put it on you, make you go like I know you know the vibe. That's right, yeah. Pilolo, Pilolo, Pilolo. Chawa kuma kuna chinti hini ponono. No be no Juliet for no Romeo, we no do. If he be treated, you wanna go shake for my kotoko. When the lights they come off, know your dress go come off too. First I give you the massage and then they come a soup. Your body be giant, your face is pretty young, son tune. You go make you make a power kopunti odo you woo. Bruh, now me can't simbi. You know how a nigga steady looking at you lately. You the type of nigga praying could become a lady. Picture breakfast in bed and some crazy sex just to start off the morning ride. Now I know they think you gon' fit turn this down. My hand it for your drawers, push it to the side. Then I slide up in it, taking trips on a private jet to the other side of the world. Feel free to be in my world. You know go fit say no to that. I didn't grow up from a boy into a man. I keep it real with you, you know I no go lie. Put the 18 karat gold up on your finger. If you let me, I go make you be the one. What you the thing? What you gon' say? You're so undecided. I go put it on you, make you go like I know you know the vibe. That's right.